Karibuni Chitab Kalenjin Joseph ngebeberwek tugul chomi keibwatwech Daktari Joel Arap Kimeta ole makonyoljin Chitab Kalenjin kochelewan kakeitum tetutiet ne notok kichame tetutietab Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin kemi episode 61 eng kemboutab rani akatok fans chechok tugul ngebeberwek tugul chomi emetab Australia, chomi emetab Canada, chomi emetab America, chomi emotinwek chumbo United Arab Emirates ak chomi emet chebo olimbo plus 254 emetab Kenya ak kebeberwek tugul kikotok ane ami kebebertab Adelaide South Australia akere kakoit timit tugul chebo Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin Manuela asante sana akomi olimbo ground akobeberushanwech akobun taonit neo nebo Eldoret asante Daktari Joel Kimeta all the way from Kericho County kongoi Deno all the way from Oliver Adelaide South Australia akere kakoit Balozi Engineer Janet ako kakoit Lokt ak taonyo ameche kityo tabwatwa fans chechok tugul episode nekisirto nekikimi kebeberta nebo North Carolina kochang biik chekinetokis akotikelen kongoi Daktari Asha eng kanetisiet nekinyinetech nekinying'any met ameche tabwatwa ak fans chechok ale ngotko tikomi tiweke that episode akiso info chang a lot of informations chekikonech Dr. Asha and Dr. Asha asante sana as being part and parcel of the family of Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin. Ameche kityo agenge amakilande akoi kebeberta nebo olimbo Columbus, Ohio. Ameche abwatwa akobo kampunit ne notok ko sponsors chechok. Kampunit agenge ko kampunit neo ne notok kobo Optiven Property Limited mi olimbo county nebo Nairobi ak George Washuri and the entire team. Ngotimokchinigei mbaret akelechinin Optiven ko a credible company nengiinvesteni komerikreketeni ngimi emetab America ko kora kokaititit emet harakati ya winter ko kelejin kampunit ko notok ko Tamu Life ko ngiodan chaik keibun akoi kurgat makomiimgei iwe counter bicheng ile kemeche majaniat ngoro iwendi kityo website neng'wa koibun majanik akoi ground. Ameche kityo tabwatwa ak fans chechok kotikiwekchi kongoi neo kabisa eng support nekotoretech ketoret our legend notok ko Daktari Joel Kimeta ketech one of the modern studio eng olimbo county nebo Kericho ako the studio inotok kotoreti kosavani counties tugul eku the center nebo all the gospel artists tugul county nebo Nakuru kongimech iwendi Kericho county nebo Baringo counties tugul ako ngokakoborok studio inotok kotoretok akwek tugul ongetoret ongeungangei pamoja supporten our legend Daktari Joel Kimeta. Kongoi fans, kongoi Dori, asante sana. Gidi Manu Kilel, asante sana. Matelong Rono Jackson following all the way from Toronto, Canada. Jiri Prenda all the way from Maltips. Asante sana. Kipto Linus, asante sana. Ak all fans chechok otokotin ameche kebe kityo agenge akoi olimbo emet ab Columbus, Ohio. Karibu Balozi testai.
Kongoi osea kongoi kasubik chok tugul eng kebeberwek chomite kimeche ketacha kokeny eng episode nenyo episode 61 ole koking'etye kebeberta nebo North Carolina ak ketokchigei akoi kebeberta nekikure Canberra eng Australia. Ko Canberra eng biik chemengen ko capital city nebo kebeberta nebo Australia anan ko Nairobi nebo olindo bo Australia anan ko Washington DC nebo Australia ko Canberra. So ngutatun itokchigei chi anan itebe ilono ko ole mitei toonyo nebo betutab rani ko kimeche ketachak tugul kele karibuni kisome kityo kele yeitesetai imaken sure ile share ak ilikean ak idropen comment eng programs anan ko eng program nenyonet kokewe page nyo chan tuguk cheimuchi inyorchigei eng yotok imuchi inyorchigei inai ile kibetito ano sukul tugul ngisha chekikebun anan ibun episodes chekike ketar so kobit inetegei kiyotok. So kitocho kele karibuni ko agerin matelong imite kebeberta noto bo abwoti ole Canada Toronto kelenin karibu Hillary Osman ko karibu Dori Chelagat noto ko director eng olimbo Optiven kimeche kibwatun akobo Thermolife asikobit iolchigei chaik ak kibwatun kora akobo Optiven kibagenge notok yemeche ichengchigei mbar kidogo eng kebebertab Kenya simosirgei ak biik amu atkan kora ko ikose stories chemwaun biik kole oye kioinvesten kesirgei ak biik, kesirgei ak choronok, kesirgei ak tilyanutik. Makile sitil biik lakini amakemeche sosirgei ak biik ko kararan orib tilyanding'wong ak biik. So karibuni akwek tugul eng tokwek cheomi ko agere co-host nenyonet noto ko engineer mangen ale kikere kityo Thermolife makikere tarajet so mangen ale imyeno ko kimeche ketachin Janet kele iamune. Ako Janet angen ale ing emetab America korani ko betut neo mitei ng'olyo nekekure Super Bowl noto ko inga kilen mbiretab keldo ko actually ko mbiretab eut so lakini kikure football lakini 3/4 keboisie eut ko oo kabisa ako chang biik chewacheni ko koi koskolen ko kimeche kele karibu ako betut neisubi betutab mutai ko nakimwoe kelen Valentines so kimeche kele happy Valentines in advance kotomo keit yotok ak choronokwok tugul eng ole mi kibwotwo kele happy Valentine ak akwek tugul cheomitei cheosubet kemeche kelecho happy Valentine kichomok nebo man akwek tugul eng ole omitei kimwoe notok eng wholesale. Ko Janet iamune anan imyeno ra so kaikai kityo sikekas sauting'ung.
Kongoi balozi, kongoi kora Hosea ak tonyo nebo rani Elvis, kilen karibu Elvis, kongoi amu keitu rani sining'ololchi kasubik chok chekasin sikocherokis anan konetkei agenge anan ko oeng. Eng betuni eb rani achomegei kiboiboen roboni ole amite lakini kiboiboen kora tunashukuru Mungu for good health, just continuous happiness every day. Kemwa ile mutai ko betutab Valentines, kameche alenchi chitugul happy Valentines. For those that don't have an opportunity to share with somebody else, you can still love yourself and just take time to enjoy or just be content with who you are as a person. So happy Valentines chitugul. Eng betutab rani kora ketindoi Super Bowl kuye kamwa balozi. Actually, it's kure football because it's a one. I believe the ball nekiboishe ko it's 1 foot long. So that's what I believe. Yeah, that's why they call it football. Tageren ko anyoru kasarta balozi watching. It's a very long game, so you are always in and out, but it's really fun and usually kobendi biik, it's a social event eng oliep America. So lakini kiboiboen balozi and tunashukuru Mungu.
Kongoi nye Janet ako mung'aret nemitei so ngipkoite the next episode kemwoiwo kele kikiam ngokaik chetya amu ingole keame ine kelyekab ngokaik anan cho kile wings kiame choto kabisa eng emoni eng betutab rani ko sikemwoiwo kele kokiam chetya ko kacham Janet na kemwa ile okot ngotko amu Valentines mutai okot ngotko machamin chi chamgei mwenyewe so taunegei korok asiketesetai lakini ngotko mami chi nekachamin inai ile kichomin achek so at least you will have some people that will love you kwacheket chotok so koki ile Nee Chitab Kalenjin so kimeche kora itou ichamgei atya inai ile kichomin kora so kochang'aitu biik kou notok so ketesetai kou nitok ko kakoitoon yo kimeche kityo kakekas kobun Hosea kochamegei Hosea eng olimbo Adelaide kakekas kele chamegei Janet eng ole mitei ko kimeche kekas toon yo kokatech asikobit kekas kele yekinai kele king'ete ano sikwo ine city ngele cham kong'et chito eng olimbo Kenya akwo city kele mi city chicho so kichusen Hosea kwo South Australia ko ngami town neo komami city nebo Australia lakini mi city nebo South Australia Ko kimache sikekas kele kikalya sikochusen kwo capital city nebo Australia akenai kele mi ne kebeberatak. So kimache kokatech taonyo eng betutab rani kole kityo chamgei asikobit kenai kele kakoit atya ketou tetutiet. Ko karibu Elvis Kipyego.
Kongoi mising ambassador ak engineer ak Hosea. Bye mising anyoru boroindo neuni to join you people. Kikurono Elvis korir arap Langas eng biik che mengeno ako currently ameng'indet nebo taonit nekikure Goulburn. Akase omwoe Canberra mising amu kiawe sukul university nemite Canberra, and most of the things that because it's the next big town kokekuregei kibunu Canberra. Kergei ak biik chebunu Eldoret anan bunu olinbo Annex anan ko Cheptiret. Ya kait bichotok kolen kityo kibunu Eldoret, komakimwoe is the small village. So that is the same scenario eng ane amu ami a small town nekilen Goulburn. It is 1 hour away from Canberra, but the next big town next to us ko Canberra. So koke identifyan ke kunot kele kibunu Canberra. Kongoi mising for having me. I'm really happy.
Kongoi nye Elvis. Karga abwati ale the best example ko chicho mi Limuru, ngami Limuru. Kongi mi Limuru kolejin nami Nairobi. Nyewendi Nairobi kole welcome to Nairobi. Ako kemi Limuru isitebe ilejo ka Nairobi ngiro nekemi, so lakini ngano ko kingen kele imi Canberra. Ko sikekere kenai kele ne nemite kebeberitak pa Australia ko kimeche ketachak tugul. Ko Hosea abwoti ale makakimwoiwech ile chamegei ngolo kaikes sikoisub football akot ngomeelewan icheng kityo wings akiam chotok amu chotok cheome biik. So siketestai ko kongoi eng akwek tugul che akere eng yu ko Hosea ameche kityo kotoi recognize biik che isubech eng yu sikobit ketestai.
Kongoi Balozi Peter Rono, kongoi Arap Langas akenyorun agenge ak my team kakas ochamegei ameche kityo taib nafas neinegei Balozi akecongratulaten alumni nenyo nekokikavani fair nenyi akosubech notok ko Emily Tanui Korir ang kitabut nekokomong nekale Against Odds of All Life. Ako komong kitabut notok ameche kityo sichut website ialchigei kitabut akotinye keshoni tarik 10 arap somok kelonjini kitabut kokiyoe cho kikure cover reveal. Cover reveal ko koikorta nekokitindoi ngolep Adelaide. Emily, we are proud of you as a team nebo Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin. Chi age tugul neimokchinigei nakimech ibet sobet ikere ile maite kenyini, maite December, ameche ial kitabuno amu konin kitabunoto kamang'unet. So kongoi Emily and your family ak kasinwae in our community. Balozi, chang biik cheisubech ameche kora congratulating kokitinye tumdo neo eng olep Adelaide South Australia ako fans chechok koitunigei. So ako kokimi yoto kora Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin angot notok ko Simon ak kwandani Betty Chepyagan kimokchinigei age tugul nemi as a family nebo Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin kebendi kostatani safarit ng'wa. So akot kelen kora congratulations. Jesse Tion, kongo Jesse, asante sana. Following Nixon Jumba akale congrats Elvis, asante sana. Christopher Togom kale following live, asante sana. Philemon Gurgat all the way from UK, asante sana. Isubet Priska Magut kale following from Kap Kechui Nandi, say hi to Elvis. We were in Mo University together. Gongoi ornaji nekako identify Arap Langas natako Priska Magut, one of alumni nekiba programit ninyo akosubech ak biik tugul chechang. Bildati K Kiprotich, alumni nebo Kapsabet Boys akosubech all the way from Adelaide, South Australia. Akalejo Arap Langas, asante sana Bildadi. Esmond Jumba all the way from Olimbo Tasmania, kaba kwembeyo nebo emetab Australia, asante sana Esmond Jumba ak timit tugul nebo Tasmania. Teres following from Nairobi, good work Elvis, my schoolmate. Kongoi akere kachang'a schoolmates balozi agere uyo makoya kakoratak kot Ellen Kuta following big fans kakitau Nicodemus Kips Robert following from Mitten Elgeyo Marakwet watching from Dallas Texas. Asante sana maya balozi akase sut eriolinik all states kila mahali koboru kole kakoit program konainik tugul. So nginam sike recognisani ke progressani balozi.
Kongoi kametab Cheru kemeche kele karibu nginye ngole mitei ko Jesse Tiony karibu Nixon Chumba karibu akakwek tugul ngolomi kimsome kityo kele sharean akilaikan akinde comment yeitesetai sikobit kenai kele ne nemeche kewal ne nemeche keteschi ko karibuni akwek tugul ko eng betutab rani kou ye kimitei ketinye inendet Elvis Langas Korir kikure kora Kipyego ko kakimwa kele kakinyorchi kebeberta nebo Canberra eng olimbo Australia ko kou kotugul ko Australia ko kinyoru independence kenyitab kobun kiplelachek chebo the British biikab kergei ak emetab Kenya January tarik 1 1901 tindo area nebo 7,692 and 24 kilometers square noto ko kergei ak 2,969,902 square miles. Tinye population emoni nebo 25.7 million noto ko namba 53 eng 2020 census. Tindoi mogornotet nebo nakimwa kele GDP kotindo nebo 1.375 trillion noto ko namba 13 eng dunia komugul. Per capita income kepchei mogornotet nebo emoni konyor Elvis osea konyor koibe chitugul olobo 50,844 namba 10 eng dunia komugul. Ko taunit nitok pa Canberra kakimwa kele capital city nebo emetab Australia ko Canberra kotindo population nebo 431,380,000 namba 8 eng 2020 census. Tindo kenyisiek 100 taunini nekekure Canberra kakimwa kele capital city ko yeikere eng yo ikere pichainik chebo taunit nitok. Canberra ko mwaat kele taunit agenge ne tilil kabisa, beautiful, clean, tindoi anan nakimwa kele hospitable cities in the world. So ikere ile taunit netinye ngiwe ko inyoru tuguk chekororon, tindoi museum, tindoi restaurants chekororon, kararan kevisiten. Ngiwe emonitok ityem irutochi kebeberatak inyoru anan mwaat kele imuchi inyoru 30 exceptional wineries. So ngalekab wine kabisa komi barak eng taunini. So ngiwe olindok inyoru wine cheterchin cheikere ile oye mi barak kabisa. Tindo kora Canberra NASA base notok nebo keba soet olin ko tindoi complex one eng kebeberatak. Canberra kotindoi anan tinye tunnels chebo ungot ak underground highways. Ngiwe olindo bikerchinigei highways chemitei underground highways, tunnels. So taunit nekararan kabisa. Ko kongoi notok anan chotok ko tuguk chekinyorchin kebeberitak. So kimeche keba akoi kebeberta nebo Florida sokotoiwech engineer Janet yekibendi ketesetai. Kokotom keit yotok akerin Derek Kiprotich kosubech Elvis Kiprotich ko kelen following Kimutai kosubech kora mongen ale ngano Dan Kandie kelechinin karibu Nixon Chumba ko karibu kora Kipkoech Collins karibuni akwek tugul eng takwek chomi George Kirwa Misoi kosubech kora eng abwati ale mite Madison Wisconsin notok ko kebeberta nebo America. Kimeche ketachak tugul ing kebeberwek cheomitei ko kibendi nokilen Florida. So koek ladies first chetauwech engineer karibu.
Kongoi balozi, So kakimeche kenai taonyo nebo rani angen ale mache konai biik cho kole kikisikchin ano, kitaunegei ano bandang'ung, kikisikchin ano, where did you grow up, kiwe sukul ano primary ak secondary. Atyo kora imwawech ile when you look back ngiker ko kiune sobeng'ung ko iming'in.
Okay.
Karibu.
Kongoi engineer. Kateb korok kole iyanat aboisie English, Swahili
Any language that you're comfortable.
ak kutit?
Yeah.
Okay. So kikisikcho Eldoret was Singishu, ko my place of birth, but my place of upbringing ko Kapsabet, ngolin ba Nandi County. Sigikchu komi Nandi County, ole kikure Kimam. Lakini ko bara in my family, I also have sigikchu chemi olin ba Kapsiret, Eldoret, or Uasin Gishu. Ole kikure Kornaet, angen ole mi biik che ingen. Ak atindoi kora sigik chemi olin ba Chepterit ak olin ba Soi in Uasin Gishu. So I'm actually a son of these two counties spread across. Tilyanutik chechang komi olin ba Celia ak olin ba mostly olin ba Chepterwai ak ano kila mali. So basically that's where my family comes from. Ko my younger years kiataune sukul ole kilen Kericho Primary School. Ndaga kikisikcho olin ba Uasin Gishu ko sigikchu ko kiyai kasi kapchai olin ba Kericho. So we moved around a lot within Kericho, a lot of estates, because my father was a team, what do you call him, estate manager. Kokicham meet a lot of rotations. Itare maybe 1 year and go 2 years in one estate, he moved into another one, but all of them within Kericho. So I started off school in Kericho Primary School, where I was class 4. Atya konyo early retirement. My dad konyo retirement amu kasit ne kararan ne kiyai eng olin ba Kericho, konyor nafas in a private entity in Nandi Hills. Nandi Hills ko chang tea plantations, kora companies, multinational companies chebo kapchai. Nguno kinyor my dad another opportunity ko kwai kasit kapchai in Nandi Hill. I joined the Nandi Hills Academy from class 4 away class 8. My first national exams in class 8. Ukianyoru 359 in page, it wasn't really a good result and it wasn't really a bad result, so it was an average result. Ko gegura sugul terige boys ne miolin ba Kilibwani. So I am a very zealous person. I'm a very a go-getter. Konguno gingegura terige kokianye a lot of ambition. Aleta ta join in national school, and in this case kijama meje kapsa join in Mangu National High School. But because my grades could not allow me, I decided to go to class 9. I was class 9 olin ba Chepterwai. School in England, Tereshia Boarding Primary School, which was one of the top schools, and I can say in the country. Amu King Ego we were mostly top 5, top 10 in the country. My second national exam, I knew 405. Gegura Kapsabet boys, so I never still got the mango that I wanted, but I Kapsabet boys. It has a lot of history. It has a lot of good reputation. I can also make it from there. So I joined Kapsabet boys 2008, I think. Yep, and I went all the way to Form 4, and I did a lot of things while I was there. Some of the people commentan kogikimi pamoja Kapsabet boys. A few roles that I picked when I was there. But then I finished high school in 2011. I got a B+. So again, I was not really top-notch bright student, and I was not on the lower side of things. Okay, an average student. At yotok, Indian Mo University, keses. Ole kipketuye ak biik cheu Hosea. Big people who have had a big influence in my life, because I also picked up on a few roles when I was there. Ago kibatar my degree in Moi. That is, I did Bachelor of Actuarial Science. So I finished 4 years there, and that was 2017, I think. I finished Tianyos, Australia. So basically, that's how I grew up, and how my younger years were. Like I said, I've been a very zealous person. Kingami primary schools in Kotoma at class 9, because I was not really one of those top students. I was always an average student. So basically, that's how I've been coming along since I was a young person.
Janet Sole kamameche atilin lakini ingele ngomwa chito kole ki average student ako tinye B+ komangen ale sikomwa ne chebo C, so
Igure average chito nekanyor B+ from Kapsabet Boys.
Oh, okay.
Kanyor chito nemite B+ anan chi nemi back then I think was a provincial school. So if you get a B+ and there was only 2 A-, you are a bright student. Lakini kianye B+ go meeting go is karibu 50 or more who had a straight A and A-. So I can say I was an average student back then.
Yeah. Kameche kora ichulweche akele in class 9, so because mongen in biik cheko maelewan ko kibiketchigei, so kiweketchigei class 8. So kongoi kameche kityo mara kokechilil chi kole kakimi class 9 ano. So kiwo murenoni ko kanyor pointishek choko kanyor 300 and something. Koker kole average chotok koketchigei sikobit konyor 400. So kiketchigei class 8. So testai Janet.
Yeah, I got this 46 marks. So that's quite an improvement. I moved from 359 to 405. I go organize a sport in a very good performing provincial school that turned into a national school. So it was a good thing.
Nice. Kongoi Elvis. Kingalale Teresi, I remember they were very tough competitors. Kingamite primary agne. Kemi All Saints.
Oh, yep. Okay.
Yeah, so very close. Yeah, Keblonik. And then Gingalale Kora Kapsabet Boys. It's almost on the other side. Our rivals Samu Alliance, we were also scared of you because Ngosi Rejago provincial, as I guess then that's what it was. It used to be a challenge. And also my siblings, go give back Kapsabet Boys. So it was always for me a challenge to do better. But I have really good memories of those two schools.
That's really good.
Yeah. Kamita Tebenen Kitende, do you have any siblings? And just tell us a little bit about your family. Achai mwawe chile kinye itar from 4 ak B+ iwe Moi University. I graduate in actuarial science. Korupne anan kinyo directly. And also, think you in the actuarial science, did you have something to do or did you have a job in mind and then that you are working towards? Actuarial science
Okay.
Yeah.
So my family. I have 5 siblings. 2 of them kimi pamoja vitagole Australia. My big brother and I think number 3. So number 2, my only sister kumiga. Lakini as I said earlier, our family atundai gora sisters jemi Kenya, jemi Mastinwega Eldoret agormayan. And yeah, that's about my siblings. What was the other question?
The other question is kingetar form 4 ang nalaga mawajile gitar form 4 kingetar form 4 iwe API actuarial science mawajile actuarial science kone ago kiko sinata negi maji ago what is this course actually and after you graduated koginyo rogasi.
Okay, so actuarial science basically go about risks and insurance. You get a picture guys in insurance companies, picture calculating the premiums and arriving at those figures. Ko actuarial scientists. Ko kinga atar form 4, ko Kenya very very huge desire our abroad and back then abroad for further studies. But then I used to want to be an aeronautical engineer when I started off. That was the first one. But being the average student I was, my results were not encouraging enough. So what happened? I kept second guessing my dreams. So I second guessed the aeronautical engineer, scaled down and actuarial science as an actuary. And what drove me towards wanting to become an actuary was the fact that it's one of the highest paid careers. Back then, there was only about 13 qualified actuaries in the whole country, Kenya. Just by that was a guarantee that if you go all the way a qualified actuary, you'll be earning a lot of money. So that used to be a motivation for me back then. But then after I joined campus, actually, when I got the B plus from Kapsabet Boys, I got the government admission, but it wasn't to Moi University. I was invited to join Multimedia University in Nairobi, and I was meant to do mass communication. Co-communication is something I was passionate about, but I know that compared to actuarial science, it was not going to be as rewarding. Kigaya na nale amukia performing averagely, I will just go pursue mass communication. After all, communication is within my passion. Lakini konget my parents, konget my dad, oger gole ango jiji kapsa go uyagi jam that actuarial science nagigago, because I had already mentioned it over and over, and I guess he picked up on it, and it provided me an opportunity to do the same course in Moi University under a parallel program. So instead of going for the government sponsored in multimedia, Kokona the option never join and Moi University under parallel program. I really felt it was something big that he did, and till date I've never wanted to disappoint him because of such kind of faith. That's just purely opting to pay more money so that someone can achieve their dream. Kianya, the government qualification, which I could have probably been able to go through without having a lot of expense. Anyway, that said and done, Kianya Mo University actuarial science, and in between, I think I had an internship opportunity in third year. I ICA in insurance in Eldoret, but that's as far as working in an insurance company that I've done. Because immediately after I finished my actuarial science, I started applying. I started applying for schools abroad, and I met the reality that being an actuary, Kumelen guy degree at that degree at a qualified actuary. You have to do other additional tests that are tested from UK. I think there's international papers, Chemagati. So when you finish all these papers, I think it's a set of about 13 papers that you have to do. I'm not so confident about it, but when you finish them, that's when you become a qualified actuary. So the 13 actuaries that was there back then in Kenya, those exams to completion, that's the only way they became qualified actuaries. So they were so scarce then that one qualified actuary could be used by about 3 or 4 insurance companies. So that was how hard it was to get to the point of being a qualified actuary. So in that degree, those papers, which are very costly, I think one of them would cost about almost up to 50,000. So midway after finishing degree, and I started applying for school here. I managed to get admission into University in Canberra, Igere Australia National University, a course in financial economics. So financial economics basically could mean the same line with actuarial science. It's all in the financial accounting career. So I was meant to do that, and it would give me credit for some of those papers. Yegua qualified actually, but reality struck me again. After that, financial economics, Koki very expensive. I came under a self-sponsored arrangement to Australia. Kima me any scholarship and any sort of sponsorship. So I had to embrace the reality that I would have to look for school fees myself. And looking for school fees would mean splitting your hours, your free time between reading and going for a job and getting the school fees. Eventually, what I decided to do is I just finished one semester of financial economics, and then I did what I felt was the only wise move, a wise card I had at that point. So I switched courses again, and I reverted back to communication that I probably would have started with. So I went back to communication, but this time I did marketing communication, and I switched unis from Australia National University, which is a level 1 uni in Australia, to University of Canberra, which is a level 2, still on a very high level, but compared to the first one, so I switched to marketing communication, and thank God, finally, I finished my master's in marketing communication last year, and graduated in April 2021. So that's been my journey after high school, and that's about actuarial science, marketing communication, and mass communication that I was meant to have done.
Kongoi Janet kongoi kimeche kotakemwa kongoi ing biik cheisubech noto ko Elias Kiprono, agere Faith Cherop, Bridget Chelagat, watching from Nairobi. Nice to listen to Elvis, abwati ale ingenen biju. Felix Ruto kemeche kemwa kongoi Raba Kip Ruto kosubech kora Team Kemboi kosubech tennis kosubech ko mongen osea ngotito kosubech okot ngo kemeche kora kibwatun akobo Optiven kibagenge inotok sponsor nenyonet ak Tamu Life kemeche kora kemwa kongoi eng akwek ko akasome Elvis agere ketil metit eng yoto naktae korotok so konget so kongoi kagere ale kamakemeche sikekere kakitil metit ko kongoi ameche kotawek testai Janet.
Kongoi Elvis amu kaimwawech bandang'ung. Kameche kityongan alenjin congratulations on finishing your masters in mass communication. It's very different from what you had done before, but it has been your passion. Ameche kityongan atebenenale, how did you hear about Australia, and how was the process for you?
Okay. So first of all, I want to humble myself. Jamaa Subi, your shows. And I know the other time you had an engineer, Anganalonya engineer, software engineer in the house already. The other time we had Dr. Asha Sigay. So I'm quite the average person when you look at the qualifications. So I hope I'm speaking to the audience of my caliber and giving you encouragement that you should not get despaired. We should aim for the sky, but if you don't get the sky, don't give up. Because the engineers and the doctors. That was just a sidekick. I mentioned and see, so that people have it in mind. How did I hear about Australia? Like I said, I knew two of my siblings, Jimmy. I knew my elder brother, who was in the US before he came over here. kimi Minnesota abwatele balozi Janet ongen angana lechang Kenyans chemi Minnesota, so he was there, and then he moved here with his family, and my other brother joined him from Kenya. Walikuja pia huku Canberra, and then so I had 2 siblings here when I was finishing uni, and because these are my siblings, I would be seeing pictures, we would be talking, and I would be hearing stories about how Australia looks like. I would be looking at pictures of how people carry themselves, Community of Australia, and I was getting attracted to it each and every time. So for me, I was very lucky that I had family. So that's the first way I got to know about Australia. Then I did my own research. Like I said, I'm a very passionate person in terms of communication. So I would read a lot of newspapers. I'd look up stuff in the internet, and I saw a lot of things here that I really wanted to experience this life. So that's essentially how I knew about Australia. Like in Mesenko, I moved the influence of my family, the influence of my brothers who were already here before me.
Kongoi Elvis.
Kongoi Janet, ko abwati ale meje sekebe kebeberta nebo olimbo South Australia. Ako agere Emily Chesang nebale isubet kubun olimbo Qatar kelejinen karibu Nixon Rotich ale watching from Kamoyua ko karibu Dixon. Agere Tanui Kapkoya Vincent kale isubet kubun mana isubet kubun Nakuru ko karibu Ambassador Kiprop ko subet koragena ko agere kora Kipto Bet ko karibu Nick Ngetich karibu aga kwek tugul kimeje keteke samgele ye laikana ki Sharon Brenda Chepkoech following from Nakuru ko karibu enginye kora aga kwek tugul jo subet ose amonge no le subet jo ngo sokobit kebwa kebebertangung asikone tebutik.
Kongoi Balozi Peter ono biik tugul cheisubet recognisani tugul ing all the way ing all cell recognisani kora presence chebo Ellen Meria co-founder nebo Option Education Agency ak agenge ne uya Elvis Langas ko alumni nebo Options Education Agency ale isubet. Asante sana Ellen Meria Malub, na asante sana kwa kazi nzuri unayofanya. Noah Kipto, asante sana na Noah isubet Noah kimi pamoja gigen kala alumni jiba Moi University agera alumni jiba Moi ka kumangi ako subet kabisa. Ambassador Kiprop ko alumni agne kala alumni nebo Kapsabet Boys lakini kale kip katare cheptiret high school lakini kara alokora ko alumni nebo Kapsabet Boys. Asante sana Ambassador Kiprop ako subet all the way from Olimba, Western Australia. Sheikh Kibiwat Marian Debor getting new life Kikanjo Kongo Chitab Olimba Kikanjo Edwin Kishets are following. Asante sana Alfred Meta create discussion be blessed Alfred Meta kusubet kongete Olimba kebeberta nebo Finland. Asante sana Jita Finland ak timit tugul nebo Finland kimi pamoja. Amete kityo kenyoru ngalyo kityo kwa ufupi ngongete studio nebo studio nenyo kubun kampuni nebo Hope Defense siketestai ak sabari nebo Elvis Langas.
Hi there, my name is Joshua Shiri. I am so happy to see you, and today I am here to enumerate, to explain how we package our land investment. And the way we package it is to ensure that every single Kenyan can be able to purchase a piece of property, a piece of land, depending on your pocket. We have 5 levels of our property, and we classify these levels as 1 star, 2 stars, 3 star, 4 star, and 5 star. This is what we mean, that if you buy a property that is 1 star with Optiven, one of the things that is evident, the property is cheaper, is below $500,000. And this particular property is basically bare land. We only do subdivision, put the beacons, and then produce titles. That is 1 star. The second level, we call it 2 star. This is prime land, whereby we grade the roads, we put a marking fence, do the beacons, and produce titles and
Kongoi Joshua Shuris makitare imwawech Arap Langas ile chitab Canberra kobutyi namba ata kokeshukan olimbo mashinani asikeng'ololchineun Joshua Shuris kakeit Tatstar. Kongoi kora tikibwotwo kiwechi kongoi all our sponsors tugul, sponsors neo ko Optifence, sponsor nenyo age ko Tamu Life ak ki age tugul ngotimokchinigei olimbo ground, ngotimeche keyaun streaming itinye boisio, imeche itunishe imi Australia ak imeche kestreamenun kokotuni kiboisie Zoom betusiechu makomi ketravelan ak imeche ketoretin eng boisionotok inboxenech sikedirectanin ak ketoretin eng boisionotok ketesetai. Elvis Arap Langas akongoi akakotoi engineer kakointerjectan balozi kakinamchin imi kebeberta nebo olimbo Colborne anan kebeberta nebo olimbo Canberra kingotanyorun uyo akete koya sola kidogo, lakini ra kakilen kiro resume neng'ung ko Quality Assurance Manager. Ameche iborochi kasubikchok fans chechang angot ko chebunu kokwono bo Keses, ole kisomoni, olobo Tulwam Ng'etuny akoi olimbo Kimam. Ilechi Quality Assurance Manager ne boisieng'ung ako ne ak ne cheiborie eng olimbo the specific kasit neiyoe. Karibu Arap Langas.
Kongoi missing Osea. Kongoi. So korok ameja rectify when I came here I used an agent negilen Bracy Educational Services. Noto meet Tabain Plaza next to Comfy Hotel. Kamwa Osea kole options, but I did some consultation with them, but officially I used Bracy Educational Services. Plan in Australia. It's a very good one. I recommend it anytime. Quality Assurance Manager. At Australia, I go school because I needed to raise my school fees, so I had to work. So I did not have any conditions on the type of work I could do. So I've done everything. Started off as a kitchen hand. I went on to become a cleaner. I have done a lot of cleaning. I have done a lot of laboring. One of the laboring that I did was in an abattoir. An abattoir, what do you call it? A plant in processing either beef or sheep or lamb or pigs in the case of Australia. So the one that I labored for is a sheep abattoir. Golban. So it's a company that exports sheep meat to about 16 countries across the world. Our biggest customers being China. Kingata was a laborer. About 2 days I got it. The other 3 days I go to school. So I did that for the entire time that I was in session. When I was off session, I'm a master student. My visa would allow me to work full time. 5 days. 5 days in the meat factory, and the other 2 days of the 5 days in the meat industry, and about 6 days in the clean, a restaurant. So I was literally working up to 80, 90 hours a week. I would do like 3 a.m. in the morning up to about 3 p.m. in the afternoon for the meat. And then nishike saa kumi, which is 4 p.m. up to about 11 p.m. for the restaurant. But then the weekend I work full time the restaurant because I would not be working in the other one. So I did that for a while. And then I think it was because of my hard work and because of my diligence at work, I got appointed as a supervisor. Leading hand, actually, not an actual supervisor. So I became a leading hand, which is an assistant supervisor in one of the departments in that factory. And then after about 4 months, an opportunity presented itself We had a quality assurance manager who was leaving, and they were looking for the next suitable person. So I didn't even raise my hand. I was asked if I would be interested. So I was like, yes, I would be more than interested if you think I'm qualified. So that happened. I go quality assurance manager. Essentially, what we do is make sure that the quality of products that we send out are acceptable standards. We are guided by bodies, a lot of bodies, which include the Ministry of Agriculture in Australia, by the federal government, by the state governments as well, under New South Wales. And there's a company called OSMIT, which is a regulatory body for all sheep meat producers in Australia. So what I do, my job is essentially making sure the documentation reflects that we are observing all the required standards, international and national standards. So it's a big job. It's a big job in my opinion, and of course in the company's opinion, because I am part of I can say the management of a company that is exporting to 16 countries. So it's a big deal. Yeah. So
Ko
yeah.
osea kama meche atilin osea kakasin Elvis komwoe kole kicham koyoe kasi unin saishek chechang nea akomi sukul ak tukchu tugul. Kameche kityo ateb ale ing chito neisubech ing yo kotebe chito kole kemang'une kasi age nyiwe kasi age akimi sukul irwauyo. So ukele kirwe saishek ata. Akameche kora koteimwochi chichi nisubech ni mara kobwoti kole takeba olin anan kolyon. So kaker ale kararan kora konai chichi kole chamun kebebertab Australia iyai kasi ingele mi emotinwek alak cheu olep America komuchi kokerten kero ku Janet no nguno kingosoman ine kelechinin akuna iyoe kityo ngotko iyoe 20 hours lakini meyoe okot sang, iyoe sukul inege. So makichamun iyai sang. So chamun Australia iyai kasit saishek chetecho asingot komi chi nekebwoti kole takeba komasta age ko advantages chebo kebebertab Australia kochu. Elvis.
Kongoi. Ameche ataune ale the first thing the best thing for anybody, become adaptive. Egu adaptive in a way that there are systems in place. Ako ameche amwae kutit matkenamais kele kalyon chichi. Amu iman kyoe saishek chechang chesire chemokotin. Lakini kosubekei is kora ak needs chekyonye, ako needs in this case ko ki school fees. You can imagine having school fees chebo masters choto kite karibu 1.2 to 1.3 a semester, which is 6 months. So you're supposed to raise chepkondok chutecho ak iyae saishek choto akile iyae 20 hours a week. Kergei kora in Australia kele most of the regulations chebo visa and student visa in this case go 20 hours a week. But for master's level, during the holidays, kejamun iyai unlimited hours. Lakini when you're in session, koyaje iyai 20 hours. Maangen ole kimwoito nitok, lakini when we were in session, yes, I would do those 20 hours. Lakini kiyache ates saishek kidogo le. Sikotesakis chepkondok chobo ses chebo school fees. Ambuch ko kitaui kasit. Kitakorom kasit ako kimameche aim sigikchuk alechi oye ngakolya banda. So what I did is just a couple of extra ones. And with studying, I had to study the little time that I would get to be at home. And that's why I even changed courses from financial economics to marketing. Communication is not as complex as an accounting or financial economics course. So one of the reasons why I changed the course is so that I could handle it together with doing or studying. Working. So it is possible, but it is a stretch. The number of hours that you sleep are incredibly, sometimes juggling crazy. There are times when I'd finish work at 10 a.m. and I'm going 11 p.m. and I'm supposed to wake up at 3 a.m. the next morning for the next job. And it really comes down to you. Amu mailing me sigindet and me police or whoever forcing you to do this, because it's you who knows what you want. If I didn't do that, it would have been very hard for me to finish school, and that means I would not have come off student visa, because I'm no longer on student visa now. So I've finished student visa. I'm on a graduate visa, and I'm probably heading towards permanent residency given the job that I have now. But if I wasn't as zealous, you have to sacrifice. Most people think that coming abroad just means that you're going to be picking money from the street, or there's going to be dollar trees that are just dropping dollars. There's nothing like that. It's absolute hard work.
So pole agere ka jondai nanan mana lagalia Elvis ko kongoi Elvis Igere Nee mange na lagalia ka dropen ko osea mujite mwaiwech kami ngolyo na gale na testingyo lagane testai recognize and bi kemite osea
Kongoi Balos Vitarono, Agere natak fera katu, kadlo well done Elvis, and that is true to the point. Asante sana fera, wherever you are. Asante Dennis, Australia is the best country in terms of work and balance and study. Asante sana. Dennis goes all the way from Queensland, Australia. Mi mwisho about Queensland, Olin, asante sana. They know all the way from Queensland, Australia. Felix Kairuta, and he's our YouTuber. Isubet, asante sana fellow. Good job, Elvis Langas, for enlightening people on the journey to Australia. Is based in Limbo, Melbourne, Australia. Moody YouTube nani agira agne kora koneti biik ole kibwanundoi emet ab Australia. Asante sana. Kagere mwalimu arab sukut kakobeberushan kabisa kale isubet all the way from Olimpo kebebertab Sydney, Australia. Evans Kaitana, asante sana. Chita Mnakoya City. Swas Damu, one of the alumni. Nenyo kale isube kongete Empire kebeberta nebo the Big Mind Kitchen. Hotelit agenge no kabisa nemi kebebere Adelaide, South Australia. Ngibekini kiy age tugul iwe yundak inyoru Swas Damu koshughulika nun Swas Damu ak timit kabisa. Asante sana alumni nenyo batai tuguk cheechen ngoleb Adelaide. Amete kityo kotikenyoru ng'alyong studio siketestai akeba agenge kenyoru manager ngolimba Canberra kotikomwawech safarinyi.
Is also not very expensive. It's slightly above the bare land. The third level, we call it 3 stars. This 3 star is value added plots. We do the malam, we do the water, we do the mesh fence, and there's a caretaker on site. It is called 3-star property. The 4th level is 4-star. 4-star is ready to build development. 4-star is a property that is ready for you to start.
Karibu Balozi kami ng'alyoni kemeche
kongoi abwati ale kakachunda kidogo Elvis lakini agere kakonyo. Ko Elvis kemwa kito nebo komonut nekacham eng yon nelen ngap kolen biik mi tuguk kolo anan komi kora pressure age nemi olimbo gaa. Imagine iyoe saisiecho ako inye ko kaker ale kiborye soma ek sigik chekeyokun chepkondok sikomung'yo sigik amu kikoboryen en primary, secondary akoi iwe university amu kele kiwe Moi University kolipanun sigik ngipimi ole ikere ile oye maemei. Atya komi pressure kora, mi biik, mi WhatsApp chekindoin ngap ing'et karon itinye olobo 20 10 chemenoe ile kalyon ngap akot ma explaineni biik kole ikaba ne singipimi katikati inai ile katinyegei ak ne. Ko kito nakemwa ile kito ne cham komwoe biik kolen emoni bo sang anan ko America anan ko Australia ko it is a place of milk and honey. Kito ne amwochini biik kityo alechini yenyone ngolin iketu teng'ung, so don't come with your own cow. Meng'etin menyo kityo ile mi chego mas ngot iketu teng'ung ngolin konyamnyum inyoru chechotok ako miando notok kimwoe. So testai Hosea.
Kongoi Balozi Peter Rono, kongoi kora engineer ak biik tugul cheisubech. Amete kityo Elvis Arap Langas, amete kora kotiboroiwech amu koitobonu emetab Australia. So itretendani ano Australia in comparison to other countries like Sijijami ground olini. Itretendai ano Australia? That's my question. Agit age Langas kotestai engineer ngot ko tinye tebut. Mi ng'aleche pressure. I know you have been in Australia. There is a lot of pressures. Chebunu ngap kobunu oli kokoitangon ng'alyot chename lagok chechang kabisa. Ngilen iro your course, chepkondok chekelipani ko it's a lot of money in comparison to Kenya. Mi chitas lakwet nekatar kityo high school ako London to Australia. What's your view? What's your advice ing sigindet ak ki age tugul nemakchingei konyo olin? Age kokakinyoru kora your parents ko ki well off, ki manager, ki miss komie, lakini still you had hijirit. So what's your advice lagok kora? Muchang lagok kokiyat emet Balozi kobwa lagok double squad chekatar kityo akobo so it's your goya chito sabet ak aeng somok kowir ground. So what's your view?
Ko ameche itesyi kora in Arap Langas amu basically kemeche kenai kele challenges chemi olo ak opportunities chemi Australia ko ne beside lagochu bwone komengech, imuchi konyo chito kolen kityo kakeba komi milk and honey kai ko kameche kityo abwotyi biik ale yenyone ngolin iketu teng'ung me expectan ile nyenyoru chego ngoli ak honey. Ameche iketu teng'ung inyone oli amu singyenye itebi komeimgei ile ngircho chego, ngitinye teng'ung ikei teng'ung. So noto.
Yeah.
Okay. Ngataune comparison nebo Australia ak ematinwek alak. Generally, I can say Australia provides more opportunities. Mami opportunities other countries because I know the top 3 countries that have opened their borders to migrants mostly go superpowers, go Canada, Australia, US, and lately UK has been on the rise. Every superpower country are appreciating the input of immigrants, and in this case, skilled immigrants. That's why there are many opportunities for people who are already working, and they will eventually end up working. That is why they are offering avenues to switch from student visa, like what I'm doing, to a graduate visa that makes me hang around here and work even more. And in this way, I'm paying taxes in the same time. And by the time 4 years, all the incentives are there for you to become a permanent resident. Becoming a permanent resident is to the advantage of the government here and to your advantage too. So Australia has opened up a lot of avenues, and I can say it has more attractive incentives than most other countries. For example, last 2 weeks ago, Hosea will bear me witness, the Prime Minister Kogi announced anybody applying student visa in the last, I think, 2 weeks, and we have another about 6 weeks in front, they're going to have their visa charges given back to them when they get to Australia. Those are the kind of incentives Australia has provided, and it's making it a favorable destination. Another thing, there's a very huge Kenyan population, Nemioli. And there are very many people who I'm guiding them, trying to organize accommodation for them because many people are coming over. I have people who I'm also trying to guide in terms of giving information about application process. This is the bit that Big Jagimi abroad that we can do to help other people. Amu magoi lipan chito school fees like in totality. You cannot there are things you cannot do, but sharing information is something very easy to do, and that's what most people should actually do if you want to help other people. So like I said, there's a very huge Kenyan population, which is a very big incentive. Amu, it means that you will not suffer that much. Amu, it's very hard. Me abroad, and I'm very sure you agree with me that itu chito for the first time ako menye choronok anan ko menye tilionutik anan ko menye a countrymate who you know, it could be hard because there's a lot of things that just you get bombarded into your face. It comes as a language barrier, there is a culture shock. Chang to but commit systems in your adaptation in the first few weeks. So in my opinion, that's why Australia is a much more preferred destination. I would recommend it to anyone anytime. It's not, the other countries are not good as well. Like I can speak confidently of this, and in a biased manner. It's a very good. There's a lot of avenues. One thing, there's a lot of visas for people who are already working. Utitindai a skill nemite occupation list chichamgo announce in Australia. Agitindai some work experience, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. You are very much eligible for some of the visas chamagat or check an online and or they have agents. It will be an easy avenue for you to come over. And in most of these scenarios, Australia is the best in terms of providing an opportunity for you to tag along your family. I was very lucky that I managed to have my partner to join me, courtesy of my visa. So there was an option for me to enlist and then add my spouse and my partner to join me here. So that was one of the ways that one of the things that attracted me the most. Amu Kingo, my wife, it really helped me with the school fee situation. Amu, 2 people is always better than 1. So she came here when I was still studying. Now we're finished and we're both here and we're moving to the next visa, and she'll always be along with me in all the visas. So it's a very good incentives in terms of visa options that have been provided by Australia. Pressure. Oye, ngap ko meje ke ngalalji big chok olin baga amu there is something called mental depression. Ako gi ne bai man ne akse. Ngap ko mi gora negilen stress. Tuk che bai man cha akse. The only thing is we don't talk about it, especially ajak big up kutit. Mangalale mi sing amu there's a way people look at you when you say you're experiencing that. It's a foreign thing still, but we look at the effects. The effects, stress, mental depression, behaviors, be after these things have happened. Mfano ni kupotea, maybe dropping school, maybe getting involved very dangerously with drugs, maybe doing things which are wrong. Those are the effects, final effects of the stress and the pressure, which you can imagine being sent here when you are 18 years or 19 years old, and then you have to do all these jobs. Some of these jobs, you have to start off at a very lowly place. Like I said, I started by cleaning restaurants and cleaning up to and including toilets. That maturity in ile, it is just for a season as you go along. Just the thought that you have to do that job. A mature mind would know that these won't last forever. Lakini ji na meaning ko yimige ne sa ko kalya ga ngete ulin baka ago li nyai ga si uni. And then because the industries that most immigrants work in, ko jo age care, jo disability, if you develop an attitude about them, you won't go anywhere. If I develop an attitude about the fact that I had to be a cleaner, I would not be in an office right now as a quality assurance manager. That would be a dream that I would never achieve. So it has to start from you having the right mindset. We have to appreciate the fact that So by maturity, it doesn't have to be age. If someone has gone through campus in Kenya, the chances of that person adapting even better here go Kumelen aruleni out at high school asikuje. No, some people have already matured enough at that point, but it's upon the parents. Konaigole, yeah, when you're suggesting it to your kid or anybody to pursue this path, komeje nicely you're sending yani guy tiakte jito is koset like you don't know how it's gonna turn out because you have not seen him with that freedom, how he can use that freedom. So gaji lagok chok pressure, especially in terms of coverage to Australia last week. After 3 weeks, wage tajin arambe and wage tajin the fundraising and all these things that have too many financial what do I call them? Financial expectations. Kita na wane angin kapsa kita na ngalale amu kinga mi moi ko kia student leader, and Osea knows this, and that's how we met with Osea. So I have a very big base of people who I have known over time. Kinga mi kapsa with boys ko kia popular bara mu kia student council president, kia captain of school deputy captain, I go at the same time kia rugby captain. So I've met a lot of people, and now when I've got to this point, I still know some of these people. People reach out through Facebook, through WhatsApp. I go uyaga mo ay balozi. Kitajin almost everything. In group in WhatsApp, almost everything. And the natural expectation is you are abroad, you have to be giving more than what everybody else is giving. There's the notion that you are at a better place than the rest. Go such pressures, they sometimes I can almost say it's almost unavoidable. Like in go teeth in mature mind, you'll be able to distinguish about which one to prioritize, which one to actually undertake, which one to provide a different form of support. Not just words or a call, frequent calls. You can talk to that person more oftenly, and that's a form of support. So if you don't have a mind to discern these things and decide which one's which, or the pressure for people who are living in abroad. But my advice is prepare yourself mentally before you think of coming abroad, and be open-minded. Once you're open-minded, you're going to be very adaptive. Go change any situation, adapt any. Adapt in an insurance company. I came here, I started with cleaning. I cleaned whatever all the surfaces. I made pizza for 2 years. I did that alongside my other job. I was doing it every night. The place where I was, there wasn't any machines to prepare the bases. So I was to do that every night, about 90 to 100 chapatis every single night. So you have to have an open mind. Eventually, that's where I am now. So I've dropped most of those other jobs. The only job I'm doing right now is a quality assurance manager. And I'm thinking my career has set off. So, yes.
Kongoi nye Arap Langas. Mongen une mejo kutesyen ngolyo in Janet.
Yeah, kongoi Hosea ak Balozi ak our guest. Kongoi kora mukai highlighting a lot about the challenges chekifeseni, especially gemi abroad ak expectations. Amiche kichongoni ngalale one thing Elvis.
Yes.
So there's this kaimwaile kiyai everything. So kiyegu cleaner, kiyegu laborer. Amiche ngalale agobo how that has impacted you, and then
Yes.
also imwaji picture ilenji. Sometimes we have to do these jobs, and you should not be looking down upon us. Nkiger pigi kolen o chap ko uni ipko uni chumbege, something like that. But ikifika side note, image dollar yet, so people want the dollars, but people yes, people forget like the things that people have to go through. The other thing is just tell our people like that, like how that experience has impacted you and where you've been, and what can you say about it, especially eng kasishek che nekit kou chotok eng olin bo gaa che people look down upon, but it could, it could be potential for income.
Okay.
Karibu.
So first off, kigo kianetage in most of the jobs that I've done, ko kianetage kapsa tu chachang. And mostly it's about attitude. Most of my attitudes towards many things has changed, given me sort of direction. Because as a young person, you're always here and there. ADHD, here and there, you're doing this kidogo, you're doing that kidogo. But when you go through some of these jobs, because they are the jobs where you can say other people look down upon them, but you come to appreciate how even little things have an impact in bigger things. For example, an egg cleaner in a restaurant, I have an impact on even up to the kind of customer who comes to that restaurant. I have a very small job about cleaning a surface. If that surface is clean, whoever comes is impressed, and that means he will get another person to come, and then the whole place is busy, and that means my employer is happy, and that means I get to keep my job, and I got other roles. I'm impressed with the little thing that I did. So the act of you being rewarded starts from the fact that you appreciated the small job by you cleaning a surface. I can say that because I made quite some interactions, Kinga cleaner. Before I moved out, because my brother hosted me when I got here. Before I moved out, just because of how I was doing my job at the restaurant, I made friends with people who are very humble and wealthy. And at the point when I was moving out, I didn't buy literally one thing that I had to put in my house. From a lounge to a TV to everything, Kogigona choronok chikiamekan me as a cleaner. And most of them were customers, if not all of them. So that humility that I got to learn from the job helped me in a way. So it saved me on the couple of dollars that I would have had to use to settle myself into a house. So as Janet has said, in Angotolin Baga, these jobs are there. The only difference is Oligo, it's more rewarding. You get more money for it. But then the bills are also high on this side. So it's the same thing. It's almost like the same thing. The only difference is you have to appreciate the fact that this is a developed nation. Give me Kenya as a third world country. So eventually Kenya will get to the point where Australia and the other countries are. We will get to the point where big chok choosing lazima wakae nyumbani wachungwe na familia. That is what the governments and even people who are campaigning say. Will give a stipend, will give some amount of money to some old people, to the old people. So if you look at it from a wider perspective, it is heading towards where these developed nations are, where aged care is actually a very big industry, where disability is actually a very big industry. Back in Kenya, every single campaign body that focusing also on PWD, people with disabilities, making sure that they have a say. Eventually, it will get to this point. So, appreciate and be those jobs. Eventually, circumstances will force them to appreciate it in a few years' time. So, how about we just look at it this way now? Those jobs are there at home. And like I said, it's not as rewarding. But how about you look at it as a stepping stone to other things? Amune si yan jito ilegate binga amu magoya igasi no agno agotos iya igasi joto jo, and you get the little money that you're getting, probably save it, and you can even open a business. We have a lot of businesses that have been opened in such a manner where people start off small and they go far. We have a chicken seller who is a deputy president. See, Naila, these things starts small, and if you don't appreciate the fact that small steps can lead to something big, because then you're losing track. And so, my first advice for people who look at this job and despise it, or look at what people are doing abroad to get money and despise it, is just know that people are not going there to do it for forever. They're doing it for a season. These are seasonal jobs for us to get to a higher level. Even most of these politicians, our leaders, they were also in universities abroad. They were also living abroad, and I can almost put my money on. I can bet that they also did some of these jobs. But right now, they are running our countries. They are running nations in Africa. Don't rule out. Matorule now these jobs they are minor jobs. They are, or you despise them. No, it is impacting me. Like I said, mostly on my attitude, on my perspective of life, on my appreciation for the need for humility, and a lot of things. And it has also impacted me financially. So that job, that you might despise it, impacted me financially in that I was able to pay off my school fees, about 1.2 times 4, which is 4.8. That's about 5 million from these menial jobs. 5 million Kenyan shillings, you pay off your school fees, get into the next visa. Like we were having a discussion before we got on air, and I was mentioning about a few ventures that I've gotten into. All that, the money that I got from these menial jobs is what is responsible for that. So do not despise it, because in the long run, as long as you know in your mind that it's a seasonal thing, I'm comfortable. I go not go another fight that I have with most of the migrants in abroad, Australia. And yeah, fight with those people, because some of them, they get too comfortable in these jobs and they forget that it should be a seasonal job. Lakini that's a story for another day. Lakini get appreciated. These jobs are important. Lastly, I am a very big supporter of the CBC curriculum in Baga. Amu oleba Australia, inyoru ile big chang komelen bendi school to university level. Mangan utogerge ingolin ba US. The Chumbek Kemuli, quite a big chunk of the population, they don't really study so much, because they can also get small jobs with their little qualifications, because the government has provided those avenues. Okay, the direction our country. With that CBC curriculum change, I think there's very many good things that's going to come out of it. In that, we'll be appreciating jobs we are mainstream and no income. But there are people who finish polytechnics, electrical, whatever, in Kaibu Polytechnic. Again, ko anan chepkondok chechang kosir chito neka degree in Moi University. Ako piretage this kolega degree, and that person who has done a certificate at Kaibu is earning more money than him. So it's all a matter of perception, mind, how you look at things. So yeah, that's basically what I've picked from the kind of jobs that I've done before this.
Kongoi, I think what Elvis is saying, it builds character, if I could summarize it. Everything
Yes.
for an experience, and it builds character. It informs what you do in the future. And I think I'll just conclude in Kenya. I know Nguna Walak, it looks like Kikure bottom up, and we are now starting to appreciate any kind of job. But I just want to encourage anyone, Ginyo Ruklina, and Ninyo Rongo Chitanalda, and Nagonin tissue paper pale town in to use the bathroom. Please say hi and respect that person, because they are really working hard, at least masameji, at least majority conduct chicks. So let us just respect everyone, and no matter what job they have, no matter where they are in life, it builds character. And if you do the math, you might be surprised.
Yeah.
Kongoi nye Janet ko ketin ngoliot nekatamwa eng yo amu kinyaweke Kenya ko visiten Kenya konyabajunde kijana yana kilen street boy ing Nairobi ko kakokilinen toilet nekicham ko chafu ochei atya kokoito toilet tissue eng yo kolen roni boisien ko nyenyewe actually the toilet itself ikere ko clean ikere ile lazima ke appreciate chitugul. Ngiboisie attitude iker boisietab chi koyotok yebunu makosa, lakini ngi appreciate amu kinyo kaiwe bathroom anan toilet ibiker ko clean ako street boy komakochorse kuyo kamwae in Janet, ikere ile bo komonut kunotok ko meche ke appreciaten biik chokwerie boda boda koyoe kasit nebo komonut amu kinyait boda boda komakiimegei iwendi nyun kimutin ako mutin kabisa akoi ole iwendi. Kingomi gaa kora Janet ko kiaboisie boda boda for the first time kitomo abune ko abunu boda boda ako awe kipotile sumek ko ngiachunde ipoker it's 100 shillings ketil sumek. 100 shillings is really like nothing. In you konde $20, $25 silipan tip. So igere ile 2,500 ketil sumek in you. Ko kinyatilwa sumek mwisho atebe aleji ketile sumek nyo kaketil kounun komi chito neuni atebe aleji ara kilipani ata koleja aja it's 100 shillings. Aleji kalia mwai kunoto sitebe chito ngot komeche ketilji tamnet akotes koek 150. Ikoyokochi 200 because kotebena koleja ara aweku nata aleji aja this is for you. But they are doing a good job. So kararan innovation, kararan tuguk cheu cho akeker attitude nekararan ketokchigei chi. So kongoi eng akwek tugul chekaosubech kibendi ketesetai akere kasarta kakochakta eng yu ko Elvis tebutiet nekotinye eng kebebertanyu meche korok kemwa kongoi eng Felix Ruto neisubech, Dennis, Helen Kuto neisubech ko kongoi eng akwek tugul tekesome kele laikan ak ishean akot tekemeche kibwotwo akobo Tamo Life kibagengeit netoretech anan kampunit net sponsor nenyo ak Optiven kibagengeitab Nairobi eng boisionik chekororon. Kimeche kora kibwotwo akobo February 15 eng kebeberta nebo sirikwa kotun komitei Mama O anan nekimwoe kele option kotieme komwa ng'alechutachu kimwoe ketokchigei kebeberta nebo Australia ko uyundo sibiteb akot ngomemeche iwe olindok iwe kityo bikas tuguk chekimwoe. You don't have to come, you have to listen. Kimeche kibwotun kora akobo kitabut noto kosir alumni nenyonet noto ko inendet Emily Tanui, kitabut nebo komonut nenekit sokomong. Osea ameche asomane ale ak tun at least we want a signed book. Mameche ane cho kilen ebook, ameche nenyu ko kakesignan amu achame sakipen. I have a little library, so I'll keep that. So Emily, we truly appreciate you and we are proud of you. I want my book signed. Sigiyokwa, we'll give you my address. Nebo Janet sigiyokwa kitabu no nyekesoman tugul. Ko kimeche kemwa kongoi tekibwotwo kora akobo studio noto mitei kebebertab Kericho nekitesetai keyoe. Kongoi eng akwek tugul chekiosapotenech alumni chechok chi age tugul eng ole imitei. Kongoi, kikimwa kele nothing is too small. Ngot kemeche keyai this thing, you can give us bawinik, imuchi konu whatever you can give. Ngo kameche konu ng'aniek, whatever you can give, we truly appreciate financial. So kabit ketar this project ing kebeberta noto bo Kericho. Atya koek mfano eng big artist tugul sikobendi olindo kwai recording ak tuguk cheu chotok. Kimeche cho kilen ke-empower kibagenge inotok sokwai igere studio ku oleu eng yo igere eng pichait. So kemeche kele ongetestai kesupoten this project netesetai. Ko keweksei let eng yu ko Elvis kaing'alale beshe kaiwe bit ta olin kotetatebe ale sube biik akokere kole ara Elvis ne kolyon kaimwoiwech ile kaimwa ile your partner, kaimwa ile your wife. So kikiberurin inye, you're already taken, but are you booked? So do you have a family of your own? Got komukoksei imuchi imwoiwech ile do you have kids? If not, imwoiwech a little bit about your family.
Okay. Yes, anye family. Kinga mi Teresia, ami class 9. Uya kiasomane kitabu nusu, agere surroundings nusu. So kiager surrounding kapsa ago my eyes landed somewhere safe. So I met my wife Mercy, ami Teresia primary school. But that's not where I started. So I was very disciplined.
What grade were you? What class were you?
That was class 8.
Oh, okay.
I was class 9. It was just that I repeated.
So you saw somebody somewhere.
I got class 7.
Okay.
He had girl in class 7. Ko achepchepit kunot lakini mamwa anything those days. Akoi tun kakojoinen Moi Girls Eldoret ako tun kotare Moi Girls apangan as my English from 1 to 10. Kopangan na komye keeku friends and more than friends all through from after high school through campus. And when I came here, she has to accompany me. So I came first. I came in 2018 January, and after about 6 months, I think, and then go after less than a year again. Then I confirm and if you don't challenge the girls, if you don't put a ring on it, so I had to do that, and then yes, so she joined me as my, because she was enlisted as, I enlisted her as my spouse after that, because Kenya formalized our relationship through a small ceremony at home. We didn't do the wedding, but we had a small ceremony, and we got married officially though. So we have a marriage certificate. And courtesy of that, and among many other things that the Australian immigration asked for, which include evidences of our relationship. Class 9 and class 8. So there's a lot of evidence of us being together. So that happened, and she joined me. So she when she got here, maybe it's important I mention, she was allowed to work full time as I was a master's student. So she would be working full time, and I would be doing full time only when I'm on holiday, and scaling down a little bit when I was in session. It was a very big boost for me. I attribute a lot of where I am to her. She knows I appreciate this a lot. Yes, that's my family. I advise most people, most young people, once you've come to that age where you know where you're going and you realize yourself, it's very good to settle sometimes a little bit faster. It helps with the maturity. It helps with putting you in line. Amu melen tayai decisions. Anything I do now, I have to consider what her feelings, what she thinks. Yeah. So we don't have kids yet, but maybe they're in the pipeline. Ni majaliwa ya Mwenyezi Mungu. So yes, we are a young family, and at the moment, kigemi gityo Golban. Yes, we stay together.
Kongoi nye Elvis kemakwak chemnyach yobendi otesetai kaokas kobun Elvis, kararan, meeku chito ne not sure of what you want. So kongoi amu kotorchine ne kararan, maket nemie ako kaiker ile otoretigei, kakoit nyo toretkei, kotoretin iyai kasi, iwe sukul, kwai kasi, kotun kakotar ine murenoni sukul komuche kowek chepyoset sukul akine akotestai kunotok as you continue. Kimakwak chemnyach yotesetai ak sobeng'wong eng kebeberta notok po Australia. Ko tebutiet age neisubi ko ameche kityo ateb ale chang biik Elvis chemuchi kakosubech kora, biik chemengechen. Kakimwochini biik eng yu kelechini tarik 15 eng sirikwo komitei Mama O anan kilen option komwochin biik akobo kebebertab Australia. Kaimwa tuguk chemi Australia ile kosubkei ak kole ingen denye amu ingen Australia, ko you would recommend kokon opportunities cheu chotok iyai kasi. Chang biik eng olimbo gaa Elvis, especially biik murenik kijanaek chebunu Kapsabet Boys, chebunu secondaries cho tugul cho Moi Girls ola tugul chemi olimbo gaa kokotar sukul, unemployment komi barak, mengen biik kole ano ole ketokchingei. Ketiny kora ng'oliot nekobo bottom up nakemwa ile kitindoi deputy president nguno nekicham kwoldoi ngokaik eng oret yun, akere every year kokikowek mi muguleldo nyi yundok, kongen kole yundok kotoi soket nekikioldoi ngokaik eng olimbo gaa. So imwochini ine biik chemengechen amu the biggest problem nemi Kenya right now kobendi sigik kwalda whatever they sell, kwalda toga, kwalda. Sometimes they even sell land. Sigisomesan chito ko iwe Moi University itar. Ang nyeweke kora nye itebi nga, maybe ko ngolyondoni kokilen attitude moeku biik amu nekit kora kemwoe kele yewe inetkei ko si inyoru ng'omnotet siyai nendabikeni biik ko some of these jobs chu komatindo attitude takinyumnyumi ng'alekab unemployment, but it's high. It's over 40% unemployment rate. Imwachini neranik, the youth especially, chemi olobo gaa, what advice would you give them ak kosubik chok cheisube general advice neimuchi ikochi ichek sikekirinde shida nemite kone eng inye Elvis? Karibu.
Okay, thank you. Ngataone ale, number one, I don't want to forget to mention that in big information in terms of how to come to Australia. There is a show na Felix Root on YouTube. Kukiami and a lot of avenues of how to come to Australia. Most of us who are here, we are willing, even in our personal chats, to be able to guide anyone in Australia. All right. In terms of advice, young people who are back at home, if I was a candidate for president, the biggest problem negating the youth and unemployment. It is the attitudes. Attitude chebo biik, perceptions chebo kasishek. Amu angenegale mami kasishek, but there is self-employment that creates employment. There's ngotko mang biik cheka mang kapsa vijana cheka very ambitious in most of the things that they believe in. Ko melen gosani anamna never raise and capital or something of your own, and then you employ other people instead of just depending on government support and then depend on government programs and then depend on get your direct, not an basic salary. No, we need to cure our mental perception of many things. All the jobs that you're looking for, your mind, because the moment you free your mind from that captivity, I cannot do anything, so I'll just stay at home. If you open up your mind, you will realize that you don't have to restrict yourself from the thing that you did. This is for people who have already finished degree, already finished certain courses. May restrict and get to whatever you did at the point of graduation, at the point of having finished school. You can start off anywhere and you can find your way back to whatever you studied for. But most importantly, going pick your term go join in universities, pick the term go decide on a course. Be very open-minded. Don't aim for just those be very realistic in that you performer in high school and you're one of the top performers and you're clearly an elite student. Yes, go for the elite courses. But if you're an average student, you going for an elite course may be an exercise in futility. You can be successful sometimes. Maybe they were an average student maybe in high school, then they went up there and they became better. But then we need to appreciate the fact that even those average students, you can also do some other things other than the elite courses. And if everybody does that notion of unemployment being everywhere is going to disappear very slowly until to a point where provide something for their families, for themselves. So my very big advice to young people is change your mentality. Change your mentality towards life, towards job opportunities, towards literally everything. Because once you change your mentality, you will appreciate the fact that we stay in a country back home in Kenya. We stay in a country where opportunities are not in plenty. We have to make those opportunities. An opportunity, and then as you're waiting for it, something else will sweep you Something else would sweep you up we're talking about drugs. We're talking about bad company. We're talking about all those kind of bad things that we condemn in the society. If you change your mentality, you would appreciate that you can do something else in the meantime as you look for whatever your passion or whatever you studied for. So my advice to young people, change your mentality. That's the biggest thing. In terms of picture go Australia and go abroad, ask. Your network is your net worth. Make friends. You have avenues now with social media. Textan jitanemi abroad agite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And be very realistic, because if you ask someone and tell them, oh yeah, I'm changanua school fees, that's being unrealistic, and that's you putting a dent on your network. Because in terms of information, I will provide the information, and then as we talk and discuss, looking at even your financial situation, if you have already had a discussion on other things, hata mimi mwenyewe nitaguzwa kwamba maybe nikusaidie kidogo mahali fulani hapo, lakini ngitaune hata kile financial help hivi na hivi na hivi, you're denting your network. So build a network, and then your network will be your net worth. In that, if you use it appropriately, it will get you to higher places. You have to take care of how you treat your network, because like I said, your network is your network. That is my biggest advice to young people.
Kongoi nye Elvis, kongoi Elvis. Kokotomo kebwa sinye kebwa our takeaways. Ko ketiny Elvis ng'olyong'yo amu bo komonut kero attitude ko kito ne iumisoni ole kertoi tuguk, amu kikimwoiwech kele kakile kikur biik mut nyikiborchi ketit neteleli. Ketebe bichu mut kelechi ikere ne kokero ketit. Kongyakikur chito netai kekur kokakikur kabilosiek, kekur kokoiyot nyokoker chebarusiot, kasongokan kipkomi mwisho koker noyin, koker kwenik kole ngotaulul ketini amang'u kwenik. Kekur mokomboindet nyokoker chebarusiot ngomiu, koker ine curious chakai koker belek kole amang'u belek chetechu, amang'u chu. Kong'etar no kemeto noto kekur chito nebunu Kisii nyokosongokan ketit kakoker kole amang'u ane kole ngotalul keti kole amang'u paoinik trela mbili. Ko chito nebunu Kikuyuni olin kokinyokoker makaa koker kole amang'u ane makaa lorisiek 3 akipaalde eng Nairobi. Nyekekur chito nebo kutit koker kwenik no, koker kole ngilul ketini amang'u. So ole ikertoi kito koyoto kole nyokokonin kelchin. So attitude neitindoi ing boisiet ko ne? Atare kityo ng'olyo Elvis ak chitab Kalenjin neisubech. Mi werik oeng'u cheking'etyo eng emetab America, ko flan koba olinbo Paris kemboi. Ngoite olindo ko ki winter, kiu nguno. Ngochundo ko kikaitit ipkotebiso eng yo, ko kakoimen kiite karibu saa 5. Ngochundo komakomi taxi. Kusisio murechu kole amune simami taxi koroni, kakakoba kakoruiyo biik. Koker kole makemeche anything like this to come. Konyo an idea, kobwat kole how about ngot ketou Uber. Uber ko kikitou because king'etyo biik oeng'u ngochunda Paris ipkosisio ko kaitit kabisa. Koker kole makemeche, we need to have an Uber nemelen kele a company. You know, it's a private company, iboisie. They don't own any car. Uber company. Iboisie karing'ung, insurance ko chekuket. Tieme kityo ko insurance kiboitiot. Rani, kinyokoranan biikab taxi koba sang because kikaba koruiyo, ko kiko driven out because ma-impress and technology. Meche keker ole attitude nekitindoi ing boisionik ko ne netoretech. Ko kongoi Osea, mongen ale kongoi Senge Mkubwa, kongoi Dennis, kongoi George Kirui, Cyrus Koech, Osea mongen ale tokosubet ng'o asikobit nyekebwa ng'alek chekokeib and takeaways. Kimeche kotakemwoun kongoi anan kemwochi kongoi Tamolife, sponsor nenyo. Kimeche kotakemwa kongoi akobo Optiven, kibagengeitab Nairobi notok yeimokchinigei mbar ing'ololji kampunini sikobit kotoretin kokekonin website eng yo siwe ivisiten ak iro ile oye keoljigei mbar. Ko Osea abwoti ale kakeit stage number 4 anan star number 4 ameche kora sikoi ngetore eng yu komwoiwech Elvis kole oye tos amu kimuchingei chapasta simamutai echunde olimbo kabosirgei ak choronok chechang eng yu amu kaker inye itinye choronok, itinye chekikopten eng Kapsabet Boys, ikinye iwe iegu student leader, kochang biik kabisa. Ko mameche sikomutai inye ing'et osirgei ak biik amu kikochang'a biik cheyoktoi chepkondok kolen ngeyai ni mutai nyokosirgei telen ichunde komami, kikotech biik soet, kotech alake olabuch, ko kararan komi kibagenge neu Optiven. Ko Osea mongen ale kakeit level 3 anan ata siketesetai asikinyekebwa ng'alek chokilen takeaways chechok. Osea.
Kongoi Balozi Peter Rono, ameche ketar kityo levelinik chekang'et asikomwawech Arap Langas kole ngoro anepko akemwa kora kongoi our CEO Joshua Shuri in the great honored nekikonech koek sponsors chechok. Kongoi Joshua Shuri, aingen ale isubech ako makoya kokas kutit so ak biik tugul chebo bororietab Kalenjin chekikoberur kamuktaindet ngitinye kampunit, ngitinye kiy age tugul neimeche kemwaitoun itwekwech refarii nenyo ko George Washuri. Ngetar.
We do very nice maram roads. We plant the trees. We put the water tower. We also put a caretaker on site, and everything is ready for you to start construction. And then finally, this is our top of the top, the 5-star. The 5-star is premier, is the top level. And this one, we do cable roads, we do water management through underground culverts, we do underground power, we do fountain for water, we do beautiful and nice permanent gates, we do perimeter wall, and also do install the CCTV, and the whole property is manned by uniformed security. We are calling it the 5-star, the premier. And some of these properties, these 5-star properties, we do a clubhouse and also construct swimming pool. This is the topmost. This particular property, it goes for 5 million for a piece of property that is 50 by 100. Thank you very much. You have an opportunity to make a decision. Do you want 1-star? Do you want 2-star? Do you want 3-star? Do you want 4-star? Or you want 5-star? Some of our customers, they prefer land banking. You go for 1-star. So it all depends on your purposes. If you want ready to build, you go for 4-star. If you want luxury, you go for 5-star. Thank you once more for trusting Optiven, the #1 brand in property development, the #1 brand with our vision of being the champions of socio-economic transformation, inspiring possibilities. God bless you. Follow us on YouTube right here, Optiven Limited. You can also follow us on Facebook, Optiven Limited. We value you. We are at Absa Plaza, 14th floor and 15th floor.
Kongoi biik chok tugul kaura ofisit nebo Optiven Property Limited. Chang biik chengap kotebenech kole ara kinamchin ano ofisit nebo kampunino ui chobo Nairobi, Absa Plaza, ibotuitosi ak Joshua Shuri ako maya Joshua Shuri ak biik tugul asikotoretin. Kongoi biik, akere Sheila Kaptuya kale thank you so much. Elvis Langas kale isubech all the way from olimbo Thailand. Kongoi fans chechok tugul chebunu kebeberta nebo Thailand. Akere Arap Koros Wilson, asante sana. Akere Kolo, asante sana. Korir, asante sana. Chepkoech Sharon, asante isubech. Priska Magut, asante sana. Nikki Bate all the way from Atlanta, Georgia, asante sana. Akere Joash K. Kimei, ngainene naat ko Simba ni mkubwa anan Simba ni moja. Asante sana, Simba ni moja. Kiptarbe Arap Ng'eny all the way from Western Australia, Senge, asante sana. Winfrida Serem akere kosubet, asante sana. My high school teacher Hosea Chumba chitab kokwet akere isibet chini kwa chini. Kigen, asante sana. Benina Sek Mutai, all the way from Western Australia, asante sana. Kiptanui Winfred ak biik chechang kabisa tukibwatwa kityo kele angen ale biik chechang eng bororietab Kalenjin kongen tienindet Daktari Joel Kimeto. Kimi project nenyo neo kenyini, ko kiro kele kakitekyi Daktari Joel Kimeto a modern studio. Kikoborye inendet kenyisiek karibu 40 kotieme kotech studio ang olimbo county nebo Kericho, kokokero morik tugul. Kiwechi kongoi eng biik chekikotoretech akot tikesomok. Angen ale ayeben biik chok chi age tugul, imuchi ial simendi, imuchi ial pchumarik, imuchi angot ibi volunteer ngorab Dr. Joel Kimeto for one day. Kekere kele kecontributen in a big way kesupporten Daktari Joel Kimeto, ngiro that as a way ole much given the back to our legend. So kongoi Cyrus Koech is good motivational from kongoi sana Toroitich Duncan, kongoi Noah Chekok, nice ak biik chechang kabisa. Ameche kityo atabwatwak asikenyoru balozi. Ngimeche itoret Daktari Joel Kimeto, muchi inboxeno, muchi icheng balozi, muchi icheng Janet, muchi icheng angot ngimi olabo Canberra, kimeche isupporten Kimeto, muchi icheng Arap Langas, cheng alumni chechok tugul, ngiityini age tugul akokonin information ole much aketoretai Daktari Joel Kimeto. December kemi county nebo Kericho ipkeyote studio, ameche konamwech kayanet akesochitat project amu boisiono kobo boisiet nebo our legend. So kongoi biik chok, karibu balozi.
Kongoi Osea, kongoi Janet, kongoi Tonyo. Ko kiweksei nguno meche kemwa kongoi eng akwek tugul chekaosubech eng kebeberta nebo YouTube, Facebook. Kimeche kityo kesom kele yewe anan yesharan, you like it and drop a comment. Share, like it and share a comment sikobit ketestai. Ko kongoi eng boroindo nekoib sikeng'alal tugul anan sikechergei tugul. Ko kongoi Tonyo, kimong'u anan abwoti ale kakocherokis biik chechang amu tukchu tugul chu kiyoe chu ko bandab chi anan story nebo chi kochere chi eng oret age anan ko age. Ko abwoti ale imukoksei tukchu eng ng'alekab Tonyo nebo rani, ko kairo ile imukoksei. Ako yewe iiste kito nebo komonut nekakinetkei eng yu ko attitude, mete attitude neikere boisiet kazi ne kazi. Yo kimwoe kele kazi ne kazi, komenyoru chi kwae kazi akisas boisietab chichi ara katemeche kwai ne. Ako ngot iyogu chito eng olimbo gaa mami kasit olindo ki, ko imeche kwai kasit nebo ng'o? Ipkoes nemi olot. Ako kasisiek chemis amu mara kikesir biik, ko chetom kesir biik ko choto chepkesire chito nekeyokto amu kakamwa kale yeyokte chito iyokte ak teta, meyokte chito atya iexpectan. So lakini ngotomo iyogu ak teta imeche konyorchi kasit ano. So kazi ne kazi yekibendi ketesetai. Ko kimeche kebwa nguno keker anan tuguk chekakinetegei Tonyo nebo betutab ra, chekimwoe kele takeaways chekakenyoru. Ko kou ye kamwa ane, ko kamwa ale kito nebo komonut ko kenyoru right attitude anan keret, amu kakile tuguk cheikere ko inyorchini kelchin ole kekerte tukchotok. Ngot iker ak yaitiet koyokitu, ko ndakakararan koyoitu, lakini ngot iker ak borotet ibore. So ameche kenyoru right attitude eng boisionik. Ameche nginyoru chito bodaboda ko kakomutin, yep kokotuin ilechi kongoi, ikat akot buch. So greet them sikomutin amu isi yo imi barak imi masi nenyinet, so kokaikai komutin ak boiboiyet nyechunde ileite kongoi. Yewe tukane ko kabiolishei, kokon matin kelipan chepkondok imwa kongoi. So achame biikab emoni, ngimwochi chito kolechin kongoi ko kaioldochi kole kongoi, lakini ngap sometimes itebe chito ngolin kole amwochini kongoi ako kalipan. So yu hoteli kuni koyoe murenoni, ko yekakobain chichi ilechi kongoi amu at least akatakan time kobain. Akot ngakelipani chepkondok, you say thank you as well. So bo komonut notok abwati ale kakinetegei notok kimeche kemokwok chemiach yobendi oae boisionik cheoae ai boisiet ak icham ak ituchigei boisio age tugul nekakikonin. Put your best and keep working ak keker tai olin. Noto amune sikikikonin windscreen neo eng karit tai. Amu bo komonut tuguk chebo tai kosir chemite let. So meche kemokwok chemiach. Janet, mongen ale kenetegei ne ng'alekab Elvis.
Kongoi Balozi, ameche awekchi kongoi Elvis eng kanetutik chekakokonech rani and his journey. Kanetkei tuguk chechang lakini ashani kichongan kwa ufupi. The first one ko Elvis ko a very zealous person. Zealous ko very industrious, very hardworking, ako focused. So kanetkei ale from a very young age, that is where it will really determine ole imi. So ngot komite lagok chekasech anan ko sigik, encourage your children and encourage lagok koek ambitious ak koek hardworking ak koek maintaining that zealousness. Zealousness is not giving up and also being focused on what you want to achieve always, and that will take you very far. Ikere Elvis Kitaune, very humble beginning. I remember Teresia to Capsabet Boys, and then again you're being humble to start from the bottom in Australia, and here you are as a manager. So I believe when you have the focus of where you know exactly where you want to be, it really brings character and it just directs your journey. So ameche kinetke again, encourage and get to go about that. Another thing nekamwa Elvis kale, take care of your network. Chamkelen, your network, he also said your network is your net worth, as he mentioned it, but he has added that you need to take care of your network. So don't exploit your network so that tomorrow when you need it, they are not there for you. And mate in Oleimuji, your network. So take good care of your network. And respect everyone. Kage mwagoba attitude at all times. It's still maybe it's that cleaner or maybe it's that person boda who will be taking you. I mean, look at Hosea now. What yellow say you get so many calls. But look at where you are. Life is very interesting, no matter where you are. So I think it's always good to be conscious of other people and how you treat other people. So your attitude always matters. And then it doesn't matter where you've been, but it's only the focus of where you're heading. So focus on where you're heading. It doesn't matter where you've been. It doesn't matter where you're starting. Start thinking. Start thinking. How can you make that 10 bob, 20 bob? And just thank Imujango, I will give you permission. Go and make an 10 bob, quick 20 bob. Go take the 5 bob and treat yourself. 15 bob reinvest. Make that 15 to 30. Take the maybe emoji increase and Gidogo, whatever percentage that you want. And treat yourself. Just appreciate. What I'm trying to say is let us appreciate small wins, and we build from very, very small things. And we will go very, very far. Kongoi Balozi.
Kongoi nye Janet, kongoi agere chi nekile Cyrus kale my takeaway ko determination sires a great person. Kongoi Cyrus ngole imi ko kaikas ng'oliondono kakile determination ko mong'u chito ne great neu Elvis ine. Ateschini kora ng'olio kotomo akurose alechinin ye crossen ku ye kamwa Elvis, don't burn the bridges. Mekanye kailande bitonin ibel darajet amu inideni darajet yenye iweksei. Kiakas tienindet nekile kilonye barak lakini kichorugei. So ko menemu ngasit ko kailande barak olin amu okoi iniden ngasit iweksei ng'weny. So mebel darajet ko kailande bitonin. Kiben darajet amu inideni darajet sikobit iweke bitet nekoibunu. Hosea, kenetegei ne?
Kongoi balozi kakere chicho kikure Cyrus Koech kale determination kosiche a great person. I think that's a direct translation. So akongoi Cyrus notok akine nikoib eng Elvis Arap Langas. Ak kit age kora ko nakakomwa engineer ng'alekab friendship. Ngaro Elvis Arap Langas ko kikituye Moi University. Ki student leader ako kikim chichi kitinye kwenik kabisa. Chekimuch kopire campaign kwae anything lakini still the humility nekitindoi Elvis Arap Langas ko kimi barak, kicham kokatech achek biikab pikipikit eng yo ko ngap kimakoya chichi, kingimut ko kimakotebe chenji. So Elvis Arap Langas nga that was part of you. Alen kiayamu ki campaign lakini nga that is nature nengung. Kit age nekanetege Elvis Arap Langas ko ng'aliot neb comfort zone, and this one it can go directly. So as spokesman nebo biikab bodaboda internationally, so ameche kityo acher biikchuk chebo bodaboda chekikimi tugul, ngap inyoru chito ko kiomi tugul, sio kwa ubaya, lakini kokowalak modern nebo pikipikishek, tikomi ak kingpani kinye the same place, the same stage, kokowalakis rules, kokeba sako. So ameche alech biikab bodaboda mwangetebe kora comfort, so ongiaptege kinyanyoru angot pikipikishek ngole chemo advance chemuch yae a different kind of, much yae Uber, much yae ne, much yae so matketapanu comfort zone. That's another thing. Okay, another thing go appreciate small things. Appreciate small things. That's very, very important. Sometimes angot balozi much iyokchi chito eliput komalechinin angot kanyoru, malechinin angot kongoi, malechinin angot kakoit chepkondok chutachu. So onge appreciate tugul the small things. Kit age ko ngekonin boisietab chi, much kakonin ngemi ground, much ka entrustan chi age ni responsibility. Ituchige ak iyai with all your heart ak iyai kui yo keonin kuyo nengung boisionotok. Amu the more you are doing that, ipreparenige for future. Arap Langas ndakikatangoe boisiet komi the same office, ko kale ng'o kitoi ku manager nebo the same office. So ikere ile anything nekakonin. Another thing, Arap Langas ko akot into my own view, akere ale much kenyisiek chemi tai ko tatun imoche anan imokchinigei eng olimbo ground inyegei nebo imwoe yotok mangen, lakini akere ane that's my own view. Ako nebo let ongechenjen the attitude kole kakakoelezanda balozi ongirot tuguk in a positive way. Karibu balozi.
Kongoi Osea ko kito nebo komonut yeiyoe boisio neyoe iyai amu menoe ile lion ai akituchigei boisionotok amu menoe ki. Chang examples cheimuchi iyai okot ngoimuti chi eng bodaboda komenoe ile imuti ng'o. Imuchi imuti chi neo mengen amu sometimes mamwoegei biik, imuchi kosis chito. Tuguk alak ko kito nebo komonut menoe kile lion omuchi otuye ak chito 20 years to come ko kikeminingei eng boisiet nekiyoe kot koit nyokolechin chito ibwoto. So people, there are so many instances that have happened in my life chokere ale it is good yai boisio ituchigei ak yai with your heart. Mokan kenyoru kiyo kikere boisiet ak kele boisietab anum ko makararan attitude no kimwoe kele boisionik che lion ko lion amu kakimwa tugul kele tatun ketokchinigei yotok akot nguno chep old age kiribe biik koitei kinyowe kebebertab Eldoret awe ole kile Kipkorgot komite chito nekiyai a very nice retirement homes nebo biik chekakoekitu. It's a wonderful place tun eventually ko yotok yeiwendi chi sibitebi ngokikesaven chepkondokuk amu kararan, it's a world class place. So koite keba yotok amu imuchi kiyokun chepkondok Arap Langas kwa iyos, lakini makoi iripkei, you need somebody to help you. Ko imeche iwe keribenen ole tindoi biik, kiriben professionally. So mi tuguk cheu chotok keite yotok eng betusiek chemite tai, lakini kotom keit yotok ko ngeyai tuguk chemiach maiker boisio nebo chi. Ko kimeche kekonin boroindo Arap Langas anan Langas imwoiwech ng'alekuk chebo let. Kimeche kemwa kongoi eng akwek tugul chekaosubech, kongoi eng chi age tugul nekaimwochi chi ilechi kosup tetutioni, kongoi eng akwek cheosube kila kotugul. Kimeche kemwa kongoi yeking'etyi eng Australia komakinoe kele kitokchinigei ano, kimeche situn mara kemitei Europe, mara kemitei Kenya anan Africa, mara kemi America, but kitesetai kecheng'e biikchok ako atindyo age tugul nebo chi kochere chi. We cannot all be doctors, we need engineers, we need kongoi arap Langas, kamangen ale actuarial science kotinyegei ak ne. Kanai eng betutab rani kongen ane ale actuarial science ko tugun chebo ng'alekab sciences, lakini kongoi amu what I know is it's a good course, but I didn't know what it was. But kongoi amu kaimwoiwech ako kimakun chemiach yeiwendi itesetai ak boisionikuk ak family neng'ung. Testai kunotok, agere ale ye lapkeitai. It's good to have young people like you who are very focused and are looking forward to greater things. Kaicherech nebo man, kaicher biik chechang, kokimeche kemwa kongoi Janet. Yes.
Balozi, one of very important thing nekautie according to the Langas, kwanikyok Balozi, ngiro Langas kiwek akotunis atye sikong'et nini 80% kole ngap komi a different attitude elen chito ngimutu chepyoset manyikosapoten, ngimutu kolyon koit emoni ikere ile so the decision that Elvis Langas komameche keiwei ngap komi scenarios much ko kakikure bad luck, komameche keboisie one scenario kejustifane the kekavane. So that was a very good point and angonoten amu biikab tulwet Balozi menyoru chito konyone inegei, bwone kwoeng kosomok, komeche ketitilchi biik ing kele kokainyoru an opportunity akitinye chito nemuch kiotuye standard 9 ko arap Langas akoyanigei tuwai obwa nyobir sobet koeku rahisi sobet ing oli. So
yeah, so nakimwoe kelen the power of numbers kobo komonut. So kararan kora yeinyone chi komenyone yokso, you're just coming to team up so that you can help yourselves. So ikere arap Langas kotoretegei ak kwondonyi, ko kongoi kichere biik chemengechen kelechi don't stay too long, take the initiative and do the right thing and continue soldiering on. Kot koaeng konyamnyum koai kiy nekararan akoeku entrepreneur as you continue. Kimeche kemakun chemiach arap Langas, kongoi Hosea, kongoi Janet, kongoi Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin. Continue bringing more episodes as we continue. Kimeche kelechok biik chemi yo kotakibwat kora kele betutab mutai ko Valentine. So we want to wish you all happy Valentine. Uye kamwa Janet, ngomachamin chi chamgei korok, atya ko ngot komami chi nechamin inai ile chamin Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin. We love you and we wish you the very best. Happy Valentine ing chi age tugul, kosubik chok tugul ing kolomi. Arap Langas, kimeche imwoiwech ng'alekuk chebo let asikobit ketar tetutiet. Karibu.
Okay, kongoi missing. I'll give my parting shot quickly. Number one, anye confession Hosea. I utilized the statement, your network is your network, Kingami campus, Kinga campaign. Kimatandai kweni. I only made myself look like I had some, but I had a very good network of people who supported me that I never knew them. I just knew them after I expressed interest. So my network became my net worth back then, until you had the impression that Kianya Kwen. Number two, I appreciate in Osea. Even those times when I was campaigning, you are among the people who really did a lot for me, not because you asked for something in return. Yani kyo yan kichungalek kiamwa at Kenya, in those days, and kyo iwagasi ne agoira, I cannot have enough words to express my gratitude, but one day maybe I will. Number three, picture me abroad. Let us appreciate our parents for the sacrifices they make so that they get us here. So make it a point of showing your appreciation back after you've gotten to a proper level. I appreciate and I mention I have a lot of people to thank in my life generally, starting from when I was a young person until now. That is why I have Elvis Kipyego Langas Foundation, Ninge Nosea, and this is my way of saying thank you to the society that has brought me to the level that I am. And that society got me in many spheres. And I've already started doing a few things as a show of gratitude and a show of appreciation. But when it when my ability gets to a proper level, I will do more things to show my appreciation. I'm going to appreciate this program, Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin. It's a very informative program. It's a very good thought. Amu, you have visited almost everywhere in the world. Ojenge biga kutit, chegigo mekan biga kutit, who they have their stories to share, and you're doing your bit, you're doing your role, you're doing sehemu yenu in making our society and our community, for this matter, to become great. And with this information, today there's somebody who is going to benefit from it. Is going to kick off their visa processes. Is going to kick off changing their attitudes towards things in life, and it's going to change a life. And you change one life, it has a spiral effect. You change one life, go change it in the next one to it, and it just spirals. And all that started from here. I appreciate na balozi Peter Rono, engineer Jana Chepkosge Osea. Kongoi missing amu kabwatu nikionye sota this program. We really support it. I'm a very big supporter. I watch almost all of your episodes. I watch them after they've been put on YouTube. I saw when last time you're in Chad with engineer for the inspirational story about how we have our people who are involved with milestones, oil mining in Kenya. So we really appreciate the role you're doing, and keep up. Don't stop at this. This will become a big thing. Egwa TV station eventually this, and I'm very happy and I'm very proud to say that I will be among the first people to congratulate you when that happens, because I know it's going to happen. That's my prophecy for you. Lastly, in terms of me, do not forget God in everything. I was a choir member back when I was in Kenya. Until I finished university, I was still in the choir. Kiaba AIC Imam Choir, and I was in the same choir as my mother. It really built a very big part of me, a big part of my attitudes, a big part of how I look at things, a big part of how I behave. Appreciate God in everything that you get, everything that you accomplish. All these accomplishments, none of them is because of my own abilities. Zero. Everything is because of the grace of God, and everything is because He's allowed it to happen. And I know that I'm a vessel to be used so that other people can even get better at what they are doing. I'm used to trigger people to get even better. So I appreciate the role that God has allowed me to play, and I'm hoping I'll play that role even in a bigger capacity and bigger influence. Sa connectan ak politics, there's an expectation that King Amukia, student leader, naturally I was expected to venture, but I am a respecter of progression. I'm a respecter of growth. And I want to allow myself to grow into the right time to venture into it. But it is no doubt that I will eventually land in politics. I'm going to let Tatunya for president in Kenya. So God willingly, it will happen. But in the meantime, I think I just want to encourage our youth that we are approaching elections, and especially high-level campaigns just about to begin. Do not allow yourselves to be used for any reasons whatsoever. Your lives are more important than the politics that goes on. And let us elect leaders who we know that have a promise for the youth, leaders who will transform our country. Mwisho kabisa happy Valentine's in Jitogol, so that tomorrow let us celebrate love Let us show love to the people around us. Malasima only your partner or your spouse, can be anybody else. It's just a day of love, so share some love. And then big to my family back at home. I'm spreading this love today. Happy Valentine's, my friends and people I've met all through my life as I've grown up. I wish you a happy Valentine and a lot of love from me and my wife. And especially finish with wishing my wife tomorrow happy Valentine's. Kongoi missing for having me, and I'm really humbled that I was here today.
Kongoi nye Elvis, kongoi ngakwek tugul gitare kityo naga kele happy Valentine ngakwek tugul aljiji mauya anani twitenji so al mauyat ongen ala kolen tapto kotoreti ne but hey eng murejo anan ko boisiek cheomi al nye yukayal tapto jo iro wale tugun chechang eng koingung anan ko wal tugun ole tepto biik. It has power, and so kongoi amejale kityo happy Valentine kogi kesut tetutiet nebo betutab ra ngetuye eng betusiek chemite tai ngibiruro.
Sorry Balozi, I almost forgot. Sorry. Great Commission singers. I will take a very, very big step to encourage them. Kiami phase 1, Kiami phase 2, Sai, and I really want to appreciate you for what you're doing. That's a legend, and we need to appreciate him as a community. Pole katao tienata kongoi mese.
Kongoi, speaking of the legend, about the legend, onge supporting the legend. We have to make sure that this studio is complete. In December, to know celebrating the great work that we will do together. Join us as a bit get the style. Kongo yourself.
Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin ibwatene. Imwoe Nee Chitab Kalenjin.